Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see exercise 9.3 question number 3. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. This sentence is very important to understand what we need to do. The car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Use pi equal to 22/7 wherever it is required. See here, car has two wipers which do not overlap. The meaning is that, for example, here this is the starting position of the wiper. It is swiping up to 115 degrees. For example, if you take a line here, it is 90 degrees. We need to take more than that. So here we are taking this as 115 degrees. So this is 115 degrees. So this is the area swept by this wiper. At the same time, another wiper is there which both of them do not overlap, in the sense another wiper whose length is the same, it covers 115 degrees. So this is the area swept by the another wiper. This is 115 degrees. Here the meaning of the word do not overlap means the first wiper, it wipes this portion. This is the first wiper, and this is the area swept by the second wiper. Do not overlap in the sense this area is different, this area is different. Of course, both of them have the same length, that's the area is the same, but the thing is that the area of the first wiper will not be entered by the second one, and vice versa. Now here we can take it as, you can take this point as center O. Now the length of the blade is given as 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter acts as radius of the circle. If you complete this, you may get one circle. So here this is the length, can be taken as the radius, and here 115 degrees can be taken as theta, angle at the center. Now we are going to find area cleaned at each sweep by both the blades. Here if you understand carefully, here the total angle is 115 plus 115. It is 210. We can take theta as 210 and we can find the area of the sector. That is one of the ways. If not, 230 it is total. So if not, we can find the area of the one, means swept by one blade, into 2 if you do, so that you will get the required area. So here let us write the given data. We can write given theta is equal to 115 degrees. This is what swept by one of the blades. We can write one blade. So the total angle that is found by the both the wipers. Therefore we can write total angle at the center O is 115 plus 115. It is 230 degrees. Since they do not overlap. They do not overlap. Now, also given length of the blade. Length of the blade. Length of the blade is nothing but radius of the circle. That is 25 centimeter. Now we have theta and radius. If you observe, this is a sector of the circle, so we can find here required area is equal to area of the sector. So here we can say required area is nothing but area of the sector. Actually we know area of the sector formula, theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here let us write the values. We have theta is equal to 230 degrees and r is equal to 25 centimeter, and pi can be taken as 22/7, that is mentioned in the question. So let us substitute these values. Theta means 230 by 360 into pi is 22/7 into r square is 25 into 25. Now let us cancel 0 and 0, and here this is 2 11s and 2 18s. Now we simplify here. This is 23 into 11. 23 into 11 is 253. 253 into 25 into 25 is 625 divided by 18 into 7. 18 7s are 126. Now here let us simplify this. First we have to multiply these two values. 253 into 625. So here 5 3s are 15, 1 is carry forward, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, 2 is carry forward, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Now let us multiply with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 1 is left, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now with 6. 6 3s are 18, here 1 is carry forward, 6 5 30 plus 1 31, 3 here, 1 here, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. So here on adding we get 5, 6 plus 6 is 12, here 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, here 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 5, 1. So 1 5 8 1 2 5, it is 1 5 8 1 2 5 divided by 126. Now here let us cancel, let us rub this simplification. Now we are going to divide this value with 126. So 158,125 divide with 126. So here it is 126 1 jar 126. So on subtraction 8 minus 6 is 2, and here 15 minus 12 is 3. Let us drop this 1. 126 2s are 252. So on subtraction we get here 11 minus 2 is 9. This is 31. 31 minus 25 is 6. Let us drop this 2. 692. So here let us take 5 times. 5 into 126. 5 6 are 30. 3. 5 12 are 60 plus 3 63. So here on subtraction we get 2. This is 6. Let us drop the 5. Now we can take 126 will go here in this around 4 times. So here let us write 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 is there. 4 12 are 48 plus 2 50. If we take 5 times it is 630. So here the required value is 625. So only we can take 4 times. 5 minus 4 is 1. Here this is 61 minus 50 is 11. Let us keep the point here. So here 0 will come. As it is 126, the required value 1110. Let us take 9 times. 9 6 are, it is 1110 is left. 9 6 are 54. So 5 is there. 9 12 are 108. 108 plus 5 is 113. Is it more? This is 1 here. Now here 2. It is 1210. 1210. If we take 9 times, 9 6 are 54. 5 is there. 9 12 are 108. 108 plus 5 113. Let us subtract here. This is 6. here this is 0, 120 minus 113 is 7. So here because this point 0 will come. Now we can take here this as, for example, 6 times. If we take 6 12 are 72, 6 here 36. Okay, then here 6 6 are 36, 3 6 12 are 72 plus 3 75. So here after decimal, as we get two values, we can take a pause here. So we can write this as 1254.96. Since we are going to find the area, the unit is centimeter square. So let us maintain this part as the rough work. Now, therefore, the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades is 1254.96 centimeter square. With this, the problem 3 gets completed. Now let us see next question. That is question number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. This is the given figure where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter. Here ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter. Since it is a square, each side is equal. So AB, BC, CD, DA, each one is 10 centimeter. And semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. See here, if you observe carefully, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 semicircles are drawn. Observe carefully from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 semicircles are drawn whose diameter is square of the side. Means here diameter of each semicircle is 10 centimeter. Diameter of each semicircle. I am not saying about radius. Radius is in that half, that is 5 centimeter. Use pi equal to 3.14 wherever it is required. This problem can be solved easily by splitting into different cases. The first case is that let us take this first portion as, you can consider this as R1 and R2. In the first case, what we are going to do, let us consider this square. Consider this square ABCD, A, B, C and D. To get R1 and R2, to get R1 plus R2, these two are required. So let us subtract these two semicircles. Let us subtract this semicircle. This is what? This semicircle and this semicircle. So, for example, if you take, in case 1, if you take the area of the square minus, let us cut this portion, the area occupied by the semicircle, area occupied by the semicircle. So you can understand clearly. You take area of the square minus, subtract area of the semicircle and area of the semicircle too. So that here the leftover value is nothing but region 1 R1 plus R2, we will get it. So let us do it as case 1. Here I am writing, in case 1 we are going to find R1 plus R2. So here we can write area bounded by R1 plus R2 is nothing but area of the square ABCD minus 2 times area of the semicircles, or we can write, here I am writing the symbol. So area of semicircles. What are the semicircles? Let us take this point as O, AOD and BOC. So here we can write any one of the semicircles. So because both are equal, so area of semicircle, let us say AOD. Or in fact you can write, if you cancel here 2 here, area of semicircle AOD plus area of semicircle BOC. It will be little bit clear for us. So from area of square, if you subtract area of this semicircle and area of this semicircle, so that we get only area of the R1 plus R2, these two together we will get. So let us substitute the formulas, then we will substitute the values also. Area of squares ABCD formula is side into side minus area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2, here also pi r square by 2. Now let us write the values. Here side is equal to 10 centimeter and radius is equal to 10 by 2 means 5 centimeter. Let us substitute the values here. So here we get S into S, that is 10 into 10. It is 10 into 10 minus pi r square by 2 plus pi r square by 2 is 2 times pi r square by 2. 2 to get cancel, we get pi r square. I repeat once again, pi r square by 2 plus pi r square by 2 is 2 times pi r square by 2. Let us cancel 2 and 2, we get only pi r square. So here pi means we can take 3.14 into r square is 5 square. So let us simplify. 10 tens are 100 minus 3.14 into 5 square is 25. So this is 100 minus, let us multiply this value with 25, or in another way of solving it is just multiply and divide this one with 4. So that what happens here, 425 are 100. 100 into 3.14 is 314 by, let us write the 4 as it is. Now it is 4 is LCM, 4 into 100 400 minus 314 by 4. So on subtracting you will get here 86 by 4. So let us write this as 43 by 2 centimeter square. So here we get area of R1 plus R2, we got it as 43 by 2 centimeter square. That is what case 1. Now let us go for the case 2. In case 2, let us take the square as it is. Earlier we have subtracted the semicircles AOD and BOC. Now let us subtract AOB and COD. Same. Let us consider the square again. This is the square ABCD. Now this is the center O. Now we are going to subtract area occupied by the semicircle DOC as well as AOB. Let us take this point as O. When we subtract, when we just imagine you have taken one cardboard and you take scissors and you cut this AOB part, take it out. Cut this COD part, take it out. So here these two will be left. Let us take them as R1, R2 over. Let us take this portion as R3 and R4. So here on cutting, these portions will not be there. This AB and CD, they go on cutting. So here we get R3 plus R4. So we can write similarly area of R3 plus R4. If you observe carefully, here the same square we are taking, and again almost all means same semicircles whose radius is the same. That way here again the same process will be repeated. If not, we can write this answer directly. Area of R3 plus R4 also we get 43 by 2 centimeter square. Is it clear? Because all the measurements are same. Now we enter the third case. Now with this we are going to close the problem. The third case is that, see, this is the portion of R1 plus R2, and here this is R3 plus R4. Now let us add both the cases. If we add both the cases, what do we get here? Let us add this figure and this figure. On adding, we will get this figure, complete figure will be get now. So here on adding case 1 plus case 2, just merge both of them so that you will get the actual figure. Now to find the area of the shaded portion, we need to subtract R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 from the square. Is it clear to you? For example, on merging these two, we will get the actual figure. That is what ABCD with the same design. Now, in order to find the area of the shaded portion, we have to take area of the square minus area of R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. That means you take scissors and you cut here first R1. Now here cut R2, then R3, then R4, so that you will get only the design or only the shaded portion. So here we can write area of the shaded region. That is what we need to find, area of the shaded region. So here area of the shaded region is nothing but area of the square ABCD minus we have to subtract area of R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. So let us write area of R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. These are the 4 regions are to be subtracted. So here let us write area of square, already we know S into S, side into side. So that is 10 into 10. Let us write the formula S into S, or that we will write, already we have found it. So it is area of the square is 10 into 10. So it is 10 into 10 minus, what about area of R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4? Here we got area of R1 plus R2. Here we got area of R3 plus R4. So here let us find area of R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 is equal to this value 43 by 2 plus this value 43 by 2. So 2 times 43 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. So here get 43 centimeter square. So this value can be substituted here. This is 43. Now 10 tens are 100 minus 43, on subtracting get 57 centimeter square. Therefore, here the question, find the area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region is 57 centimeter square. With this, the problem 4 gets completed.